Welcome to the Blue Arrow Lines, a freelance layout based in the Pacific Northwest in the fall. The layout was built by Bodo Capeller, who is originally from Germany. Bodo runs the Great Northern Railway, Rio Grande Southern and Amtrak, as well as a few other railroads. The layout is loosely based in the 1950s, but with creative license so he can include Amtrak. He prefers brass electrics and is considering making a switch to just Great Northern power. He installed custom-built catenary on the 8x16-foot layout. We hope you enjoyed seeing Bodo's Blue Arrow Lines layout.
Thanks for checking us out. You can learn more about the magazine at www.tsmrr.com.
We also have a free light edition of the monthly magazine that is great for all ages, and you can sign up for an account on the website.